Faith Leaders Institute to get the faith-based system, churches of care, to take their communities and to be a rising tide that lifts all vessels.
We teach faith leaders how to go about changing public policy. The second thing we do is teach capacity building. Often we have great ideas, but we just don't have the capacity to implement them. And then the third one is community development, by creating jobs. If you create a job in a community, you reduce the poverty within that community.
The call of faith leaders is to answer and respond to the felt needs of the community that you're serving. That's the call. And so they model the way at the FLI so that you can model the way in your space.
We have alumni doing a lot of great work. For myself, I do civic engagement around sexual violence and human trafficking, but we also have alumni doing work around health issues, economic development and financial literacy, prison reform and reentry. And so we're touching a lot of the major issues affecting our community.
We really do want folk that are going to be able to come in, absorb the information, and then really be able to go out and implement the information and the tools that we've been giving them.
Our nonprofit is an international nonprofit that focuses in the empowerment of women through economic independence. Through the mentorship that I received, we created an advisory board and a board of directors. I became the executive director at that point and really led the organization to a growth phase of really creating new program and bringing in staff that had never happened before.
When we came to FLI, we were just a football and cheer program. You had to pay to play. So through FLI, we learned the concept of grant writing, we learned the concept of donors. We are able to help fund kids in the process. We were able to obtain funding to get a mobile homework trailer. During the summer months, we provide free meals for about 1,500 to 2,000 kids a day throughout the city.
I was a part of the first FLI class. I am the senior pastor of the City on the Hill Church, also the elected council member of the City of Carson. So many times we've been on the front line of protest, but we've never been on the front line of policy. We're trying to come with a policy agenda that will suit our urban community here. We've opened up a number of businesses here in the community. We have done what they call environmental justice. The city has prospered. We're doing better than we've ever done in the city of Carson.
The church must go out to the community. It can't just wait for the community to come to the church. It must take means to those who have no means, hope for those who have no hope. So if that legacy is to be continued, then the church will have to take the first step.
We're always looking for ways to expand our reach. And so if you're interested in being a participant in one of our programs or want to support the Murray Center, we certainly welcome you to contact us. We'd love to hear from you.